What's up guys, aurifitness in the building, back with a new video, and today I'm going to show you how I make protein pancakes, which is really simple. All I'm using is this pancake mix, then I'm gonna use raspberries and banana, and also the Walden Farms no-calorie pancake syrup. This video is for you if you're about making gains or you want to eat healthy, yummy and macro-friendly, fitness-friendly pancakes which are low-fat and high protein. Let's go!
That's my best friend. That's my best friend.
So the first thing I'm going to do right now is put 60 grams of that pancake mix with 100 milliliters of water. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna add some olive oil in this pan here. That should be good. What we're gonna do is we're gonna heat it on medium level. Let's say on a 4 out of 9. And let the olive oil get hot. And we're gonna put our mixture in there. Okay, so here we have our first pancake. Let me show you the other side as well. Oh, let's flip it. And there we go. There's our protein pancake. Check out those macros. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put some strawberries. I'm gonna use my knife for it because I don't have a spoon right here. I'm gonna put like strawberries on here. You can use whatever toppings you want, and then some banana slices. Let's put like one more. And then I'm gonna use the Walden Farms no-calorie pancake syrup. Here we have our yummy protein pancake. Wow, it's really damn good. Try it out. It's really damn good. Guys, I'm gonna end this video right here. Thank you for watching. If you want to see more fitness tips, nutritional tips to reach your fitness goals, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.